Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to make research proposal using ChatGPT. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Once browser is open in front of you, then open ChatGPT. And once ChatGPT is open in front of you, go to the prompt section of ChatGPT and then type write a detailed proposal on the following research topics. Make sure it is free from plagiarism, marital relationship, satisfaction, social support, and postpartum depression. I am psychology master student, so make sure it advance add citations to this document. After that, click the enter button and ChatGPT will start generating. Once ChatGPT finishes generating, then go to the prompt section. After that, we will write this prompt. This is to summarize. Retype the same document but make it more detailed and bulky. In the research proposal, we should need a bulky proposal. Once it's done, then we will go to the prompt section and now we will type for the same document above, add more citations and references. Don't change anything except adding more citations and references. Then hit the button and ChatGPT will start generating. And that will be our last prompt. Once everything done perfectly, click on this copy button and your research will be copied. After that, open a Word file. I think we should open a new file. So click on new, blank document and then click on create. Once it's open, first we have to remove the margins. For this, click on this file button. After that, go below and click on print. After that, go below and click on custom margins. And now select the narrow option. After that, go back to home and now here paste your text. Now you can see your research proposal has been inserted in Word document, and now we will save this document in a PDF file. For this, click on this file button. After that, click on save as. Open the PDF file. After that, go to the option of same as type. After that, click on this arrow button and in which we will select PDF and then click on save. It will be saved. Now let's check over PDF. Now you can see your research proposal has been ready. You can also edit in this over here. That was the way how to make research proposal using ChatGPT. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.